Welcome to GK Pillai's math classes. A video on the chapter Trigonometry is already available on my channel. In that video, I have discussed the fundamentals of the chapter and explained in detail answers to some questions. From my long years of experience in dealing with the 10th board students, I have understood one thing: the trigonometry sums explained by the teacher in the classrooms are slowly forgotten by many in a short span of time. My videos will be of great help to students in such a scenario. When you access my videos, the answers will come fresh in your mind and you can help yourself before exams. So watch my videos always in full. Let me help you recall the basic trigonometric ratios and the identities. The first one, sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. If you consider this angle as theta, then this will be the opposite side, this will be the adjacent side, and this will be the hypotenuse. Sometimes we use perpendicular for this and the base for this one. There are three other ratios: cosec theta opposite to this, sec theta opposite to this, and cot theta opposite to this. Here, sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. These are reciprocals of each other. Cos theta is 1 upon sec, and sec is 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. These are the very important ratios which we deal with in many sums. Here, these are the three basic identities: sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. We can write sometimes sin squared theta is 1 minus cos squared theta, and cos squared theta sometimes 1 minus sin squared theta. Similarly, we will be able to write these two also. This is an important question from the textbook. That is why I have included in my video. This has been asked in the board exam and also in the school exams. We will write these things as the left hand side. Expand this using a plus b whole squared, both. But not always. In different sums you will have to deal differently. Here this becomes sin squared a plus 2 sin a cosec a plus cosec squared a, and this will be cos squared a plus 2 cos a sec a plus sec squared a. We will combine these two, sin squared a and cos squared a. Instead of cosec a we will write 1 by sin a, and sec a we will write 1 by cos a. These two get cancelled, these two also get cancelled. This one we will write as 1. Now we will write 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus these two. Next step, instead of cosec squared a we will write 1 plus cot squared a, and sec squared a we will write 1 plus tan squared a. These are the identities. Now ultimately we are getting the answer 7 plus cot squared a plus tan squared a, which is the RHS. This particular sum I am doing it in two ways: from LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. You can choose one of the two methods and learn it. Here I am taking the RHS. I have written the RHS. I am rationalizing the denominator. It becomes 1 minus cos theta whole squared as the numerator, and this will be a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos squared theta. And 1 minus cos squared theta I am writing as sin squared theta in the next step. Now we put a big bracket for both the terms and put a square here and write this one as sin theta. Now you can separate this into two. In many of the trigonometry sums we have to do like this. It is just opposite to taking the LCM. When you take the LCM you get this way. When you separate them into two, you will get 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta and the square. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta and cos by sin is cot theta whole squared. That is going to be the LHS. Now I'll show you how you will come from the LHS. I have written this. Instead of cosec theta, I am writing 1 upon sin theta, and this one I am writing cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now you take the LCM. This will become 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now we separate the denominator, writing it as sin squared theta. Only the numerator will remain within the brackets. Now instead of sin squared theta, you write 1 minus cos squared theta. And the next step, 1 minus cos squared theta as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The 2 and the 1 minus cos theta get cancelled. Finally, you will get 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is the RHS. This is a very good question. This was asked in a previous board examination, and this is also related to your textbook. Here, 3 cos theta equal to 2 sin theta is given. You can write it this way. Sin theta by cos theta equal to 3 by 2. When you cross multiply, you are getting this one only. Instead of sin upon cos, we will write tan theta equal to 3 by 2. Now you write this one. We are dividing the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Here I have written. Now what we do, we can separate it into two. Sin theta by cos theta plus 4 cos theta upon cos theta, and this will be 5 sin theta upon cos theta minus 4 cos theta upon cos theta. Sin theta and cos theta is going to be changed into tan theta, and this is going to be 1. So we have written this one as tan theta plus 4 upon 5 tan theta minus 4, and in the place of tan theta we are substituting 3 by 2, and the plus 4 remains. Here also tan theta we are substituting 3 by 2, and when you are simplifying, you are getting 11 upon 2 divided by 7 upon 2. The 2 will go only when you reciprocate and multiply. This will become 11 upon 7. That is going to be the value of this one. This is an MCQ question from the textbook. You have to choose 2 as the option. But in the board exam, this won't come as an MCQ question because the sum involves many steps. Let us take the LHS. Here, instead of tan theta, we will write sin upon cos. Sec theta, we will write 1 upon cos theta. Here, cot theta as cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta 1 upon sin theta. Take the LCM cos theta. This will become cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, and here again sin theta as the LCM. This will become sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now consider this one as A and this one as B. So we will write A plus B into A minus B equal to A squared minus B squared, sin theta plus cos theta whole squared minus 1 squared, that is 1. Expand this. You will get sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos squared theta minus 1. Combine these two and write it as 1 here. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. So ultimately we will get 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. These two get cancelled. So you get 2 as the answer, which is the RHS. Next one. I have taken different type of sums in my video. This is one among them. Here, this is the LHS. We have to take the LCM. 1 plus sin A into cos A. So this will become cos squared A. This cos into cos squared A. And this will be 1 plus sin A whole squared. This into this. 1 plus sin A whole squared. Now this you write as it is and expand this one. Next step, you combine these two, sin squared and cos squared A. The remaining as it is. For this you can write 1 here. It will become 1 plus 2 sin A and the denominator. We'll take 2 common from this. We will get 2 into 1 plus sin A upon this. 1 plus sin A cancels and you will get 2 upon cos A. 2 upon cos A is nothing but 2 into 1 upon cos A. That will be 2 sec A. Let me remind one thing. Most of the students make a mistake while doing this sum. That is the special reason why I have included this sum. Here, the mistake they are making is they multiply these two. If you multiply these two at any place here, you are certainly losing this sum. So there are occasions when you have to leave the denominator like this only. Since you left it like this only, you are able to cancel these two. If you multiply this somewhere in the during the sum, so it's gone. The sum you won't be able to do it. This is a textbook question. You will find in the textbook at two places, one as an example and one in the exercise. Students find it very difficult to do this sum because of some complications here. So we will take up the LHS, divide the numerator and denominator by sin A. And in the other sum which I mentioned, you will divide the numerator and denominator by cos A. After that, you separate the numerator and denominator into three parts. We are going opposite to taking the LCM. Cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 upon sin A. Now, similarly you will do in the denominator. Cos A by sin A will become cot A, and this will become 1, and this will be cosec A, and here also same thing. Now this minus 1 take it to at the end. Instead of 1, we will write cosec squared A minus cot squared A, the identity. Next step we will write this one as cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. A squared minus B squared equal to A plus B into A minus B. Now let us take cosec A plus cot A common. This one as common. Here it will become 1 only. And here cosec A minus cot A will be in a bracket. Open the bracket and change the sign. Now these two will get cancelled. So you are left with cosec A plus cot A, which is the RHS. There will be another video containing more important sums from the chapter. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel and press the like button to show that the video is useful to you. Also visit the description box to know more about my videos and also about my channel.